Some friendly, gentle reminders prior to your PRP skin pin microneedling session with us here at LUX A Medical Spa. The first thing is please come without any makeup on your face. That will allow us to get the numbing applied at a faster rate and help us through the procedure. The second thing we would like you to do is come very well hydrated. We will be drawing your blood, and so the more hydrated you are, the better the blood draw procedure will be. I recommend anywhere from 16 to 32 fluid ounces the morning of, prior to us drawing your blood. The third thing we need you to do prior to your PRP microneedling session is to avoid any anticoagulant medications or things that may thin your blood. These include anti-inflammatories such as Advil and Aleve, and natural substances such as turmeric and fish oils that you may be taking in your daily multivitamins. We recommend holding all of these products 48 hours prior to coming to see us here at LUX A Medical Spa. Lastly, please let us know if you have any issues with having your blood drawn. These issues may include being a difficult stick, syncopal episodes, or severe needle phobia.